KG Auto. I live in Brooklyn. If your car break down, you know to call. If your car break down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Good morning, KG Auto. What do we have here? 2012 Dodge Charger. We're gonna find out what's going on with this car right now. Yep.
What you doing? Making pictorials?
You know how it go. That's what we're doing, baby.
Making pictorials, right?
Yes, sir.
That's right, brother.
Yeah, man.
Do what you
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna see what's going on with this car. So it has one code found. Let's see what is going on. Okay, as you can see, there's a code comes up P0501, vehicle speed sensor A, range performances. So I'm going to explain more what is going on with this car. Apparently there's something going on at the back there, because I was going to change the speed sensor, but I found out that the axle is kind of rusted, and you know when the axle is rusted because there's something work like a magnet. Anyway, I'll explain more. So I'm gonna go to the back there and open it up and see what I can show you. Please stay tuned, and let's see what we're gonna find. KG, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and support your boy in any way you can. Peace. I'll be back. Some tools. I'm going to take off the brakes. The brakes is done too. Anyway, we have to take off that. I'm going to lose some bolts here. I'm going to lose that. As you can see, this is pretty rusted, as you can see. See that? That's why the spin sensor is not working very well. This thing always happen to all this vehicle. This thing is rusted inside. So I don't want to be blocking the video, so I'll take off that. I will explain as we go further on. KG, stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Already, I didn't really want to show all of that because it's too much work, like I said. Losing this, losing that, you know, and you guys know I walk alone. But I want to show you something that, you remember, I showed you the code. What was it? Let me get my paper. Yeah, the code that I showed earlier on today, it was a P0501. It was talking about the speed sensor, which is not. This is not the problem. So follow me now, so that you can be able to diagnose this problem correctly and you fix your car. You know when you're driving the car, so the sensor is the one that reads the speed, how fast it's going. So if something is not working properly, it will be reading a false. You'll be getting a false read in the speedometer. So anyway, so this is the problem of the car. As you guys can see, right, there is a magnet. There's a magnet here, right here. So this magnet is all rusted. Once this magnet is rusted, the car will be reading falsely. You see all of this? They're all rusted. So now here is the new one. I'm going to show it to you. You see? When you look at the new one, right, you see the magnet that is here? So this is what reels the car when you're driving it. So once this thing is rusted, that's it. You be getting a false read, then you can't get it proper read. So that's the reason why we're going to replace this. Once we replace it, I'm going to clean all of that. I'm changing the other side too, and this car will run better and everything will go well from there. All right, so KG, stay tuned. I'm going to put the also out. This cream also, you know. All right, KG. So I just wanted to point this out. So in case you buy this from AutoZone, so they have left and right. So this one is 14029N. Is the driver's side, and this is what it is. This is the old one. So I just wanted to share with you. The axle was giving me some kind of problem. Anyway, let me correct myself again. So we call AutoZone because the number of the thing looks the same. So this 29N is the driver side, then the 28 end is the passenger side. So this is what I find out that I want to share with you, sure, in case you're putting it in and it doesn't goes in. You know, I always like to share my little problem. Okay, so you see this ring right here? So the one that came with the new one, it was kind of just wide. So when I was putting the axle in, it couldn't go in. So what I did was I took out that ring, then I press it with this. I press it with this guy just to cover it more, and it was able to go in because it was giving me some problem. But anyway, it's in now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start tying it. I'm gonna advise you also, when you're taking it off, don't bother disconnect this one. Don't disconnect it. Don't do none of that. Don't lose none of that. See, everything is still intact there. The axle, the hub, everything. Just lose all these things, then you just pry it out. And the hard part might be when this one is coming out, might give you a little trouble. That's it. Don't lose the shocks. Don't lose none of that. So to me, this speed sensor is still very good. So nothing happened to this speed sensor, so I'm going to reuse it. So it was though he bought a new one, but I'll clean this because it's not broken. So we should be fine from there. The other one, when I look at it, if it's bad, and I'll take it. Don't forget to put this, when you want to put everything back, don't forget to put this guy here. See this guy, make sure this guy is back there. You know? So that's it. So this video was about this guy right here that I talked about today. That was what caused the speed, the sensor not to be reading well. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie it back now. KG, stay tuned. All right, KG. So everything is back again. Put everything. So I have a lot of jobs. So the reason why I didn't get to video all of this is because I'll be blocking the video as well. So I'm putting some brakes on this car. Brakes is done, as you can see. So if you're doing the job like when you're doing it on the shop, it's a little bit more easier than like what KG is doing outside. You know, so it's difficult to do. But I couldn't show everything because I have another job that I need to get to. I need to bring out this guy now, because I kind of tuck it in there while I was working now. The boy is kind of stuck there now. I don't know. That's another story. How am I gonna get this boy out? Hope he can come up like this. Okay, I think it's like this. There we go. Alright, so it was this that I needed to show, and they are also rusted there. So, question, comment, you know what to do. KG will see you on the next one. Peace. Shout out to Brooklyn. Goodbye for now.